Hello, here's example 3 from page 512. Find the shaded area. So notice what shapes we are looking at. We're looking at this sector that has an angle of 2 pi over 3 and a radius of 6 centimeters. And then we're also looking at the shaded area, but we don't know how to find an area of that shaded area of a chord enclosed by a chord and a circumference, or a chord and an arc length. So we can see a triangle here though. So we also have a triangle. So we're going to find the shaded area by finding the area of this whole sector and then subtract the triangle from it. Okay, so let's go about this. So find the area of the sector. Area of the sector. And it's important to notate what you're doing, right? So a marker understands what you're thinking. 1/2 theta r squared. And remember, theta must be in radians, which this is. So 2 pi over 3. Radius is 6. Okay, so that's going to be 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. 2 pi over 3, or whichever way you like to do that. 3 goes into 18 6 times. So this equals 12 pi. Okay, so all together, that entire sector here is 12 pi, and that would be centimeters squared, wouldn't it? Because our radius is in centimeters. Now we need to subtract the triangle from it. So let's get another little whiteboard here. That triangle, what do we know? We know we know this angle, and we know this side length, and we know this side length. Okay, well, we have a formula that we've already been using in this situation. We have a formula where we have the area of a triangle is 1/2 AB sine C, where C is the included angle between these two sides. Okay, well, let's do that. 1/2 times 6 times the sine of 2 pi over 3. Okay, now, in order to do this sine of 2 pi over 3 in your calculator, this is in radian measurement, so you're going to have to be in radian mode on your calculator. All right, let's take a look at that. We go up on our TI Nspire into the right-hand corner where it says DEG, and we click on that to make it change to say RAD for radians. All right, but I know 1/2 times 6 is 18, so I'm going to simplify that a little bit first. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that'll make the job a little easier. All right, let's take a look. We've got our TI Nspire here. We need to change from degrees to radians. I'll go up here and click. That will change it on the CX2. If you have an older version of the TI Nspire, you go to menu, and then your, nope, actually you won't. That's menu we're gonna go to dock and then settings, and you'll change it in your settings. Okay, so here on these CX2s though, the blue cases, we can change it by just going up and scrolling over it and clicking. Okay, so we had 18 times sine 2 pi over 3. So 18 times sine, we go to our trig button, sine, and we're in radian mode, so we can use radian measure, 2 pi divided by 3, all in the brackets there, equals. And there's our answer to that part. So 15.588457. Remember, we're going to leave a lot of decimal places until the end. So 15.588457. Once we are familiar with the unit circle, we'll actually be able to do this question without a calculator. All right, so now we have 12 pi for the sector and Let's change that into a decimal number as well. 12 times pi. So 12 times pi is 37.69. 699,112. All right, so the shaded area then, and again, please make sure you are showing your work and labeling what you're doing so a marker understands. We're going to take that 37, that's a 37, 699,112, and subtract the 15.588457. I'm only putting mine down like this because I didn't have room to put it over here. So that equals 22.1106. Sorry about this. 0655 is what I have. In IB Math, we're going to round that to 3 significant digits unless otherwise stated. So that's 22.1 centimeters squared. There we go.